The Enelec Ltd is a construction company working on Ukraine market since 2000. All the years it had been keeping dynamic growth to contribute to the construction field of the country. Today the company has powerful productive capacities and material resources. Creative work, professionalism of the team managed by Leonid Besmet, the director, have results into high-level projects and new achievements, honors, awards, etc. The key to success is professionalism and sense of responsibility. Enelec Ltd is progressive technology in producing wooden houses and profiled timber. It is in-house equipment and many successfully implemented projects typical and specially ordered one meetings and most demanded needs. What does Enelec Ltd do? All kinds of architectural and constructions work, starting with designing and putting into commission. Develops own high-quality projects applying up-to-date technologies and new qualitative materials. Erects wooden house private villas. The success of enterprise is comprehensive, integrated approach to work and through selections of specialists who are always ready to install offline heating system, sewerage, sanitary equipment, ventiduct system, perform assembling and design work, making your house, flat, office cozy and comfortable. Our designers make a creative search every day to imbue the house with bright energy. We use new ideas to make every creation unique and make every detail to complete the general interior. Combining mastery of architect, complete mutual understanding of project designer and a customer, we fill your house with elegance and sense of inimitability. In 2006, Enelec Ltd was awarded the title Leader of Construction and Architecture 2005.